Samsung is one of the biggest technology companies in the world, which is why they've turned their hometown into a smart city, a billion-dollar playground where they can test out the latest and greatest technology. Welcome back to Genesis. In today's video, we'll take a look inside Samsung's massive digital city. Before we proceed, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell for regular updates. In the first quarter of 2019, Samsung shipped 71.9 million smartphone units compared to Huawei and Apple, which shipped 59.1 million and 36.4 million respectively, according to IDC. Needless to say, this company is extremely powerful. Located 30 kilometers outside of the South Korean capital of Seoul, Samsung Digital City is home to nearly 40,000 employees. A visit to this enormous corporate hub will give you a look at how one of the world's largest companies does business, from a specially designed digital garden and an innovative retail experience to a state-of-the-art health center and even a 360-degree theater. With all the spectacular creative design and engineering feats, Samsung's Digital City has come a long way since 1994. Although technically not a city, it might as well be within 390 acres of office space. There are almost 4 landmark office towers up to 38 floors high, and 131 smaller buildings with more labs, offices, recreational facilities, and guest houses for visiting researchers. But this is only the tip of the iceberg for the almost 400 acres of office space within. There are a host of smaller buildings, recreational facilities, and guest houses on site. Although the exact cost of building the campus is unknown, realistic estimates put the cost at around $1 billion, plus millions more annually for maintenance and employee benefits. Additionally, there is a facility known as Samsung 5G City, which comprises an outdoor park where the business tests 5G network gear that is now being deployed to telecom operators, including those in South Korea and the United States. The expensive campus has free cafeteria service for staff, a huge gym, and international food and beverage establishments like Dunkin' Donuts. The Samsung Innovation Museum is open to the public and honors the history of Samsung as well as the history of technology products in general, despite the strict security and heavy guarding. Because of Samsung's sizable digital metropolis, you can work more and waste less time. Great, isn't that right? Every week, events including concerts, fashion shows, and chat programs are planned. A swimming pool and 490 sports clubs are also there. Get ready for a day full of fun with 690 cultural groups that amuse workers during breaks. These clubs cover a wide range of hobbies, including paragliding, cuisine, and traditional Korean painting. Plus, Samsung's corporate headquarters is home to 490 sports teams, including rugby and curling. Multiple Input, Multiple Output, or MIMO, is one of the alien regions in the futuristic environment where Samsung tests various mobile phone technologies. Samsung forbids outsiders from entering the room with multiple inputs and outputs. However, according to Samsung, more than 65,000 of its employees, or around 20% of its global workforce, are devoted to undertaking research and development. If Samsung could be summed up in one word, it would be competitive. Of course, the biggest rivals of Samsung, such as Apple, Huawei, Google, and Amazon, all have secretive labs of their own, but Samsung has a reputation for hurling ideas against the wall at a faster rate than its competitors. While this tactic is great when it works, it occasionally results in failure. As an example, when Samsung rushed to release their folding phone, the Galaxy Fold, in 2019, early reviews expressed concerns about faulty hinges and cracked screens. In 2016, Samsung experienced one of its most infamous failures ever when their Galaxy Note 7 phones started exploding on their own, which caused their stock to plummet. As a result, Samsung removed the phone, modified the design, and later released a new version in South Korea. Despite having to recall 1 million phones, they've since won back the public's trust. Its Seoul R&D Center has a multi-story library where designers and employees can congregate to brainstorm and find inspiration among books and magazines in order to foster creativity among the personnel. As a result, the site is also home to Samsung's Sound Lab, which is equipped with musical instruments and voice booths where Bixby, Samsung's virtual assistant for smartphones, is voice recorded. The city also has a free healthcare service with numerous medical facilities that offer everything from traditional acupuncture to flu shots and dental treatments. The digital city also offers free childcare and recreation as part of its extensive employee benefits package. The restaurant, which has more than 4,100 seats, purchases its goods from local farmers and producers in Suwon. 900 children of Samsung employees are cared for by kindergartens with 150 teachers throughout the work week. A helicopter pad, free buses, and trains for all of their employees, as well as a large fleet of automobiles, are also located on the property. In a nutshell, everything at once. It's hard not to be impressed by Samsung's massive digital city, isn't it? Let us know in the comments section below. We hope you enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.